So, Sir Ian, tell us, what gave you the inspiration to stage Shakespeare's plays with various farm animals? You know, that's a little odd, don't you think?
Yes, indeed. 2 years ago, I was starring in a production of King Lear at the Stratford-on-Wabash Playhouse just outside of Fulda. And there was a bit of a mix-up with the costume department, and I was forced to wear an iguana outfit for about 5 shows. Surprisingly enough, the show was a resounding success, and so the way I figure it, why change a good thing?
Yeah. Speaking of good things, you know, it's time for today's top 10 list. Jason, could we have a little music for that? Thank you. And we can have a little bit of light down on here. Tonight's top 10 list from Chickasaw, Iowa, names rejected for Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we'll start off with number 10.
Number 10, lifeless bird lumps.
Thank you. Oh. Number 9, KFC and CPR.
Number 8, hot, oily hens.
Number 7, Greaseland.
Number 6, You're Petting a Little Too Late Petting Zoo.
I don't get that one. Number 5, Heart Attack Helper.
Number 4, Jiffy Lube.
Number 3, Home of the Soggy Grease-Stained Bucket o' Fun.
Number 2, Food, Folks, and Fat.
And if we have a little drum roll, the number 1 top 10 rejected name for Kentucky Fried Chicken is Artery Busters. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Ian Shortsleeve. Thank you. Oh, gee. Yeah. Thank you. Sir Ian Shortsleeve. Whoa, what a tough job. You know, my next guest comes all the way. He's traveled exotic and far places. Matter of fact, let's just bring him out here. Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from downtown beautiful St. Meinrad, here's Jim Embry and his pet chimp, Bobo. Bobo? Boyer. Oh, sorry. Oh, white. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks,
so,
guys.
Jim, do you have a cousin named Joan from the
Yes,
San
I
Diego
do.
Zoo?
Yes, I do. They say we look a lot alike.
Look a lot alike.
She's
Oh,
7 feet tall.
you may have
so.
saw her on that other TV show. So anyway, it's not Bobo, it's...
No, we renamed the monkey.
Renamed the monkey to Poirier?
Poirier is the name
Why
now.
is his name Poirier now?
Well, we had to ask ourselves... He is very hairy, and we had to ask ourselves the question, how much more hairy could he possibly be?
And the answer?
The answer is none.
None,
more
okay,
hairy.
yeah, it's good.
So, yes. So let me go get him, and I'll be back in just a second.
Sure. As we wait, So, Jim, what kind of chimp is this?
He's a Central African chimpanzee.
Central African chimpanzee.
Rather rare. They're very good. They like little treats like this.
Wow, that's neat. Does he bite or anything?
No, he's mostly harmless.
Oh, yeah. Boy, go. Thank you.
But,
so is there anything unique about this chimp?
well, the reason why we decided to have him for the St. Meinrad Metropolitan Zoo was because he is actually quite a philosopher.
Quite a philosopher.
Yes.
That's kind of neat.
Poirier, could you philosophize, please?
How does he go about doing this?
Well, I can interpret what he has to say.
Oh, okay.
He'll get... Okay, he says all we are is dust in the wind.
Oh, that's kind of neat.
Here.
Yeah, thank you. What else does he...
Could you do it again, Poirier, please? I can't translate that.
Okay, we won't get into that one. So, what else? Does he say anything else?
That's about it. I think we can let Poirier go back. Bye,
Okay.
Poirier. He wants to mention that next year we're going to enroll him in the School of Theology.
Oh, cool. That's good. Thank you. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Poirier. So, Jim, tell us a little bit about your travels.
Well, just after I picked up Poirier, that was back in '88 or '89.
Yeah.
I went to South America.
South America. Wow, that's south of North America.
Yeah,
right?
it's very far south.
So,
And so I found a large South American Amazon hummingbird.
Amazon hummingbird.
They should be letting him out somewhere down there.
Wow. Hold on. I see him coming. Where's he at? So where did he go?
Hummingbirds are not known for being very social.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Jim, I hear you've done a bit of diving.
Yes. I was actually just off the coast of India in the Indian Ocean.
In Nepal. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
The geography lesson will be later on.
Okay, good.
And so, I was just about a mile deep.
Mile
deep.
deep.
I found a giant sea turtle.
Wow.
Yes.
You bring him here tonight with you?
Yeah, he's around. He should be close to us.
So this is a giant sea turtle.
Yes.
Okay,
Now, the next thing that I've got is a mountain gorilla.
He's down at the zoo downtown.
That's right. Let me go get him. He's just in the cage back here.
Okay.
Just take a second.
Comes from the St. Meinrad Metropolitan Zoo. That's in beautiful downtown St. Meinrad. Oh, here he comes. Hold on.
You've got to watch out for him.
Yeah?
He's not quite tame yet.
Okay. Does he, is there something that sets him off or something?
Well, he's pretty safe, but you know, no, you're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to...
Jim, is he, ladies and gentlemen, oh my God, Ken, can you, oh my God, oh my God, Ken, get this, ladies and gentlemen, it was Jim Embry, St. Meinrad Metropolitan Zoo. Whoa, gee, Jason, I don't know about that act. Can you, is there a doctor in the house or something? Okay.